welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some stamping, and I will also be trying out a new stamper that I bought. It's from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I will be doing that. On my hands, on my nails, I have this polish. It's from Pupa. It's an Italian brand, and I got it from my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law and my brother, they live in Italy, and sometimes they send me, or she sends me, some polishes. She's also the one who sent me the matte polish I use often, and I'm wearing this matte polish as well. So I'm wearing the green polish and the matte top coat. And now I will be doing some stamping. I will be using 2 plates. First I will use Moyra number 27, and it's called Dreamology. And then I will be using a simple plate from AliExpress. It's number XYZ24. I will also be using some foil. This color here. This I purchased it on AliExpress. It comes in small bags like this with the different colors. And yeah, so I will be using Moyra foil stamping polish to use the foil, and yeah, so that's it. So anyway, all the things I'm using in this video, I will list them down below in the comment section. So let's get started. So let me start by opening the new stamper. There is a card with it. So I love the color, so beautiful. Firm, it's very firm and sticky. And then we have another stamper here, and the rhinestones. I have the same one, white color from Born Pretty, but I need another one, and I wanted to try this brand, Clear Jelly Stamper. So put this aside, and I will start stamping. So I'm going to start with the small plate, and I'm just going to use this triangle up here. I'm going to use my Moyra, and this is the black foil polish. You just need to shake it a little bit before you apply it. So the scraper is very hard. I'm not sure if I like it or not, or if I like my Born Pretty, the soft card. So as usual, I'll show you one nail, and then I'll go ahead and do the rest off camera. got my foil, and you just, it's very dark today. See if I can make some more light. Just a second, I'll try to lower the camera. Yeah, that's much better. That's much better. Now I'm doing the pink color. You can see on the paper that it's stamped well. Well, nearly the whole image. So the stamper is very good. I think the plate maybe is not so, how you say, is not engraved very deeply. So this is the last triangle. Just gotta figure out how I want it. And now it looks like this. I think maybe I'll make one last triangle. Oh, that was the wrong one. This one. Like so. I'll just clean my plate and then I will stamp with the other plate. I just like to clean my plates right away when I'm finished. Now I'm going to use my Moyra. And I will be using this image. I'm using normal black Born Pretty polish now. So that it looks like this. I finished the other nails. They came out like this. I'm very satisfied. And for this nail I have some small beads, or how you say, nail decorations, that I bought on AliExpress, and I thought I would use one of these. I got this nail glue with a brush, so I'll start putting some glue on. Well, first I have to take it out. I'm gonna use just one. And then some glue. You're able to see. Oops. Come on. So it's actually the same color like my nails, like this kind of chameleon color. So just let it dry. So I'm not gonna put any top coat, of course, because I have my matte top coat under. And yeah, so this is how they came out. I hope you like my tutorial. But before I say goodbye, I wanted to show you another new thing that I got. And that is this beautiful polish. It's OPI, and I was actually thinking to use this one on my ring finger, but I changed my idea. It's called Comet in the Sky, and it's really beautiful, full of flakies. I really love it. When I saw it, I just bought it right away without thinking, you know, do I have money or I mean, can I afford it or not? I just bought it. It's so beautiful. I actually made a pop stick. This is how it looked. But as I said, I changed my idea. But I am going to use it on another mani. So, I hope you liked my tutorial. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. There is a lot of more nail art coming. So if you love nail art, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!